Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to use AI as a beginner. So if this is actually your first time on trying to understand AI before you move into it, you are at the right place. Because in this tutorial you are going to understand how to use AI, not only just how to use it, but also how to do anything using AI. Alright, so we have some website that we're actually going to go through so that you can be able to do anything using AI. All right, so we're just going to be taking 3 steps for us to be able to use AI professionally. All right, guys, so let's begin. So, first, let's say you need a chatbot. Maybe you have a question and you need an answer or a fast answer to your question. Maybe be it you actually want to know the number of countries in the world, or you have some important question, be it concerning programming or any other thing. Now, what we are going to be using is ChatGPT. I'm sure most of you must be conversant with that. ChatGPT is where you get to ask ChatGPT any questions and then it gives you the straight answer to that question. So before you can be able to use ChatGPT, you must make sure you have an email which you're going to be using to sign into ChatGPT. All right, so you can do also open the website. Now, ChatGPT is actually a chatbot that is powered by OpenAI. This allows you to be able to ask ChatGPT a question and then it gives you the answer to that question. So you can actually do it to sign in or log in. You can just do it to continue with Google. Like I said, you must make sure you have an email account first. After you've actually signed in, you'll be asked to put in your birth date. So you can also do well to put in the month, the day, and then the year. You can actually do that and then you agree. So when you actually log into ChatGPT, it will actually be like this. Then you can get to ask ChatGPT any question of your choice. So ChatGPT is actually going to be giving you the answer right away. It is fast and you can quickly do that. You cannot just only type in, but you can also do well to copy whatever you have in ChatGPT. So if you actually are thinking of creating an ebook or maybe a script or whatsoever concerning maybe your social media or something outside of this, you can actually do well to work with your keywords everywhere. Now, keywords everywhere is actually an extension which you can actually use in generating scripts for your video, or you can actually do it to also generate titles for a particular topic. Now, how can we do that? You just simply go to your Google and search for keywords everywhere. Now, keywords everywhere is actually an extension that we are going to be adding to this Google account. So you can do it to open your keywords everywhere. After you've opened it, it's actually going to be looking like this. Now you have to come right straight to install for Chrome because I am using Chrome, so I'm going to be installing this for Chrome. So if you are using Firefox, you can do it to install for Firefox. Actually depends on whichever one you are using. Then you come right straight to add to Chrome and then you click on add to Chrome. So after you've actually added the extension for your keywords everywhere, then you move over to your ChatGPT and refresh. When you refresh this, you see that it will actually be added here. So how can you actually be sure it has been added here? If you look down here, you find templates. Now with this template, you can simply just tap on this template. Then this ChatGPT prompt template comes out. Now let's say we want to actually generate um, a script for our YouTube video. You can come over to category first, then select social media. You come over to subcategory. With this, you select whichever one you want. Let's say for YouTube, that is the script you want to generate for. Then select a template. We want to generate YouTube script creator. This is it. This is YouTube short scripts, and then this is actually YouTube script creator. So we are going to be using this one here. We'll tap on this. Now, this comes out English. This is the language. This is the voice tone. You can select any voice tone of your choice. So I'm just going to be selecting this one, and then the writing style. I can try to also select this. Now I'll come over to my description here. This is where I get to put in the title for my YouTube script. Let's say we want to actually generate a video. Our video is about how to make money. All right, so let's say this is our video description. So what we need now is a script for this YouTube video. then you can just come down here and tap on execute templates. So after getting this, you can now be able to use the script in generating your video for your YouTube. So you can actually do the same for any other social media, and then you are good to go. So keyword everywhere can actually be added as an extension to your chat GPT. How can we now generate AI pictures? Now, generating AI pictures are actually generating images that are not real, but they are artificial intelligence. So how can we be able to do that? Now we are going to be using Leonardo AI. Now with Leonardo AI, you also need your Gmail for you to be able to log into this, or for you to sign up since it's your first time. So all you have to do is for you to just create an account. So you can either sign up using your Google or email and the password. So I just prefer to sign up using Google. It's actually more faster signing up using Google. So now after you've signed into Leonardo AI, you can now be able to generate your images here by just clicking on image generation. With this, you can now be able to generate your AI image. So now coming over to this part here, this is the number of images. So you can decide to generate just 4 images. And then when you scroll down, you get to insert the size you want. Now, this advanced control here, this is 2 by 2. Let's say you want to generate an image for a YouTube video, maybe a folk tale. You can do also click on this, and then you come over to 16:9. That is actually the size. So with this, then you can now come over to your prompt and then put in a prompt that you wish to use, and then you hit on generate, and it generates your image for you. So you can see how clear the images are that you can actually use from Leonardo AI. So this AI is actually advisable to use because it brings out good quality images. So if you want to download any one, you can just hover on it and then see the download image right here. You can just tap on it and it downloads that image. So this is how you can actually generate an image using AI. All right. So now, how can we now be able to generate a voiceover? We are now going to be using 11 Labs. Now, 11 Labs is actually a very good website where you get to generate AI voiceover. So you can also do the same process using your Gmail to sign into 11 Labs. After signing up, then you can now decide to put in your AI, whatever you want AI to say, you can put it in here, which is text to speech, and then we have speech to speech. Speech to speech is where you upload your audio, while text to speech is where you do the type. So you can now put in your text, whatever you want your AI to say, and then it says it out. All right, so we've seen how we can actually use Chat GPT in getting scripts, and not only script, but whichever question we ask ChatGPT, it actually gives us the answer. And that of Leonardo on generating AI images, and then 11 Labs in generating AI voiceover. All right. So with all of this, you can now be able to generate some videos that you can actually use on YouTube for those of you who would like to learn more about YouTube creation. So if you actually want to know how you can be able to create like a folktale story, which is actually trending now on YouTube, you can do well to hit the next video. And if you have any question at all, you can do well to ask the question in the comment section. So all of these websites, I'm going to be dropping the link in the description. You can just do well to tap on that link in the description. All right, guys, do not forget, hit the subscribe button, continue to share this video, and then I will be answering every single question I find in the comment section. Feel free, ask any question. All right, guys. So I'll see you guys in the next class. Till then, stay safe.